What's up, everybody? It's me, Michael McKean, coming at you with another video, and I'm high as fuck right now. But I'm here to do an unboxing, and these are probably one of my other favorite videos to make too, besides scary videos. It's just cool, you know. But to show you guys what I'll probably use in future videos and all kinds of stuff. But what I got here is fuck, how am I gonna turn this? Portable campfire. Now, yeah, a portable campfire, y'all. It's so cool. It's badass. I'll show you why. This is for people if y'all don't know how to start fires in the wilderness or anywhere, you know. You can get these. They're cheap, you know. They're like 30 bucks. They're Radiate by Radiate portable campfire. It says in the box. There. Made from 100% recycled soy wax and recycled paper pulp. So that's what this is made out of. So never heard of any of that shit. I've heard of soy wax. Okay, but I've never heard of paper pulp. I don't know. But I'm gonna tell you what's really great about it. It's portable, for one thing. And of course, there's a lot of portable shit. I mean, that's not really non-toxic. That's important because, you know, like one thing about breathing in smoke from any fires or anything is usually they're toxic. Windproof up to 30 miles per hour. That is a blessing. That is like easy to store, easy to light, no mess, no cleanup, great for emergencies, you know, perfect for emergencies because we never know when we'll have one. Less smoke than wood or fire logs, non-consumable, no shelf life, reusable, that's another good thing. Easy to extinguish, made in the USA, that's another good thing. 100% recycled materials, no risk of secondary fires due to embers. Yeah, I think at least a lot of us know that. But it says that right on all that shit on the side. All right, and I'll show you the cover. So that's the cover. Neat cover art. All right. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but you get me a knife. So I'm gonna try to show y'all. Let me cut it first. Oh, it's already cut. What the fuck? Oh, I cut it up already. Oh, I cut it up already. Man, I'm high. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Here we go, boys. What the fuck? Radiate safety information. Flame can reach 2 to 3 feet high. Fuck this. Fucking flew all the way on the other side of my bed. Love Radiate. Radiate. Safety shit. Bro, I know how to start a real fire. What the fuck? Bro. That's for kids and fucking immature. But right out the box, guys, it is like... fucking box. But here it is, guys. Read instructions before use. Oh, shut the fuck up. But, you know, it's got their nice forced in the back, you know. Alright. Oh, man, I'm scared to see what this looks like. What the fuck? This actually smells good as fuck. So it is soy wax. And paper pulp. Whatever the fuck that is. So it's pretty cool actually. So that's the wood. It's supposed to be like the wood. And that's the logs or sticks or whatever that's on fire. So I don't really have a smell really. Probably smells when it's on fire, but just a little dope item for my traveling, especially that I'm going to be doing. So making videos for y'all. Just for, even for me, for camping and shit, because I'm going to do a lot of that this summer. But, you know, nice box, nice container. It's made out of titanium or aluminum? Aluminum, yeah. But yeah. Comes with a cool card, you know. Comes with that and the instruction panel that I showed you. I know I showed you. And I fucking threw it across. Oh man, it's just when you're, that's how us adults feel, you know, when you're a grown-ass man and you already done all this shit. It's just like, bruh, get the fuck out of here, bruh. Take that somewhere else when someone wants someone that actually needs it. But, well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Radiate portable campfire. As you see right here, there's pictures of it. So, look how high the flames get, man. This is some good shit. Like, I think it's like windproof too. That's another thing. 30 miles per hour, so it wouldn't be good in like. So, but anyways, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Honestly, I'm just chilling, making videos for y'all, and peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this Radiate portable campfire unboxing. You'll see it in my future videos. So, yep. Peace out, y'all. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.